Okay, let's make a simple sandwich for a Saturday. Just a few simple ingredients and you'll be on your way to dinner in just a few. This is just chicken, peppers, and onions. And we're gonna add some cheese a little later. These delicious Hogie Rolls. Oh my God, they're so good. The only seasonings used is salt and pepper and some Italian seasoning. For the Hogie Rolls, I just added a little bit of butter or margarine, whatever you have, and stuck it under the broiler for about 2 minutes. After the broiler, I just added a little bit of Miracle Whip, and then you're done. A delicious, quick sandwich for a Saturday or any day of the week. If you would like an exact recipe, or even if you try this recipe, please let me know down below in the comments. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Bye.